Traders, it's Bed Bath & Beyond here. Welcome to the Trade of the Day, brought to you by Day Trade the World. Click that QR code and join us on our platform. Join Day Trade the World. You get a great level 2 here, charting, everything like that. But let's go over Bed Bath & Beyond real quick here. This is a 20-minute chart. I mean, look, congratulations to all, I don't know, do we call them apes? Do we call you guys apes, or do we call ourselves apes? There is just AMC, but this was $5, man, back in August 5th or whatever it was down here. So great little move there for Bed Bath & Beyond, and you can see definitely getting accelerated. I don't have the volume up there. It's pretty easy to see that there is an accelerated volume spot right there. But watch out for that 30 level. Let's go over to the daily chart, or let's go over to our 2-minute chart here and kind of see the ranges that we are playing with. This is kind of, you know, this is the way my Amazon or my Microsoft or something looks when we're trading. This is not generally a Bed Bath & Beyond kind of chart right now, but I just wanted to highlight a couple ranges here. Right now we're trading in between 23 and 28 now. That's a $5 range on a $20 name, so the range has definitely been extended here a little bit today as far as the range is concerned. Big move yesterday. You're not seeing the same continuation here unless, of course, you look at the pre-market, where yesterday we finished the day at 18, opened up today at 25. So it kind of shoots up overnight. Now, let's review the trades a little bit here. Early on, I think you just play the momentum. So what I traded early was just that 26 break. So we took it early at 27. We averaged back down in to 26, so giving it about $1 worth of space. Then all of a sudden, man, it just exploded to the upside. This is where we marked down 28 from the day before, right? So we marked down that 28. It goes all the way up. We get like a 28.50. Then it just hovers around 30. This is where we got a little crazy. It was like, okay, you know what? The market's not even open yet, and we hit 30. We actually break it. This is in the pre-market. Then when the market opens up, basically all hell breaks loose on Bed Bath & Beyond. It goes down to 25, then right back up to 30, and you're just seeing all this chaos. Well, this time we're actually a little bit smarter. We reloaded again at 26 there, or 26.50, and then we just start getting it out. 28 first out, then we start respecting that $30 level and just get out the rest of it, right? As it falls back in, we then start to say, hey, you know, we miss it. It actually comes in way too hard for me to get out at that 26, nor did we really want to. So we go back to some of those pre-market levels, and I should have drawn a line here. That's 25-ish, right? 24.50, 25. So we just start buying it, and then we just start scalping it out. We're waiting for that monster move back to 30, to be honest with you. One of our outs right there at VWAP is like 26.50 off of a 25 bid. We don't get anything out at 28. Then we're waiting for these moonshots, but as it's not happening, we're noticing the 50 period here on our chart. This 50 period is outs, 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 reload, 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 until eventually our last reload doesn't work. So we get out of about half of it for flat, because it does take down this 23. So we get out a piece there about 23.10 or 23.20. Don't remember exactly what it is. Then the last piece of it goes right back up, and we're able to get some out at 26. So bottom line here is a good trade. That's a 23 long. That's out 26. Look, when we're wrong there, we take about a 20, 40, 50 cent hit on the part that we're wrong. But when we're right, we run that back up here to $26. So Bed Bath & Beyond, again, you can see it's very, very structured right now. And I feel like as long as you're trading this name, you have to look at some of these tops and bottoms, and don't always think about, you know, mooning stocks, or that stocks are going to continuously go up forever. I feel like once you develop a range here, and you can see it's really respecting VWAP, it didn't do that. It just disrespected it here, right? It just kept on ripping up, never even came back down. Here, you're kind of bouncing up to it every time, and you can see there's some good ins and some good outs, but it's Bed Bath & Beyond, and I feel like this could be our trade of the day for a very, very long time. If it remains active, check out the volume here again. 189 million shares, and look at the velocity. Look how this is moving up and down. It's just going crazy. So as long as the volume is here and stocks are moving around, you can see much more calm, but you got to continuously look at Bed Bath & Beyond. For today, though, and yesterday, it's your back-to-back trade of the days.